Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face app not installed problem. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily face this problem. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your settings over here. Now once you open your phone settings, this method works, so just follow the steps over here and then you click on your applications over here, applications. So click on apps and notifications and then you can see your application settings over here. Now click on that, and once you click on application settings, you can see all your applications over here. Just scroll down and then look for your Google Play Store. In this video I'm going to show you two steps or two methods, so you can try any of them. So just pay attention and watch the video till the end. Now once you click on Google Play Services, you click on storage and cache and then you clear the cache over here. Now once you are done with that, go back and then you can see Google Play Store. Click on that and then do same over here. Click on storage and cache, clear cache. Now once you are done with that, just go back to your applications over here and you can see the three dots at the top right. Click on that and you can see show system. Now once you click on show system over here, just click on search and search for package installer. Now once you search for package installer, all you want to do is to click on storage and cache once again and clear cache of package installer. Now once you are done with this, just go back and then the same under apps and notifications, you can see special app access. You have to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, so you can see install unknown apps. Click on that. Now just scroll to where you can see the browser that you use to download or install your APK apps. So in my case I use Chrome, so click on Chrome and you allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Now once you are done with this, the problem will be fixed. So let me show you the second method over here. Now for the second solution, you can just open Play Store. Now once you open Play Store, you can see your profile at the top right corner. Click on that and once you click on that, you can see Play Protect. Click on this option. Once you click on this option over here, you can see the settings at the top right corner. Now disable all these options over here. You can see these two options, disable them, turn them off. Now once you have turned them off, all you need to do is to click on your profile once again, and once you click on your profile, you can see settings over here. Click on settings and you can see about. Now you can see scroll down and you can see update Play Store. This is the only way to update your Play Store application, so update your Play Store. And you can also click on network preferences and you can see app download preference and you can see over any network. Just make sure it is on the first one and click on OK. By doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video